In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize in Google Docs. Alphabetizing can be incredibly useful when you're organizing information, whether it's a list, a report, or even entries for a project. So let's dive in and make sorting your information a breeze. To begin, you'll want to open up the Google document that you plan to work with. Once you're inside your document, the next thing you need to do is locate the menu at the top of your screen. What you're going to want to focus on is the Extensions menu. The reason we're heading straight there is because we'll be using the help of an add-on to assist us in sorting. So go ahead and click on Extensions. From the Extensions drop-down menu, you'll see the option for add-ons. Hover over it and then click on Get Add-ons. This is going to open up a new window where you can explore a variety of add-ons available for Google Docs. What we're looking for is something called Sorted Paragraphs. In the search bar at the top right corner of this new window, type in Sorted Paragraphs. Once you see it pop up in your search results, you'll want to go ahead and click it to begin the installation process. In my case, I already have it installed, but let me walk you through how easy it is. If you don't have it installed, select the account or email you want to associate with the add-on. Once you've done that, you'll need to grant some permissions. Simply click Allow, and once everything's ready, click Done. Now the add-on is all set up. With the add-on installed, head back to your document. Highlight the text you want to sort. This could be a paragraph, a selection of sentences, or even a list. Just make sure to select everything you want to organize in alphabetical order. With your text highlighted, return to the Extensions menu at the top. Here you'll now see Sorted Paragraphs as an available option. Click on it and you'll notice two sorting options. Sort from A to Z and sort from Z to A. Choose the one that fits your needs best. If you want your text in ascending order, go with A to Z. If descending order suits you better, Z to A will do the trick. As soon as you click one, your selection will be beautifully reorganized according to your preference. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully alphabetized your text in Google Docs with the help of an add-on, making organization so much simpler. If you found this tutorial helpful and enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.